Hi there. How can you make money while sleeping? Let's talk about that. Of course, out here, we have people who are making money when sleeping. Even if they stop working today, they're gonna continue making money, even some to the day they'll die. Guys, that is awesome way of living. You having your money work for you, you having your prior efforts work for you. That is the best way of living, and that's why I'm making this video to share with you 5 ways you can make money while sleeping. In essence, have your money or even your prior effort work for you, even if you're not active out there. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afaga Sifuna. And by the way, if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe for you to be catching up on such awesome videos around personal finance, investing, business ideas each and every day. And also, you still at it, consider dropping a like on this video so that many more people out there are able to watch this awesome content. Having said that, as I mentioned, guys, the bigger game plan is for you to get your money to work for you to get your initial efforts to work for you. Of course, I can make it easy for you by just summarizing for you. For example, tell you, start a company, hire people, let these people work for you, go and relax. But unfortunately, that isn't how the business world works. And even for someone out there who has a company, who has employees who are working for them, they really invested many years, sleepless nights for them to get that system to work. So you need to understand it won't be a walk in the park. You need to put in some form of work. You need to have the initial monitoring systems, and even so, you can look to utilize technology such as automation for you to be able to even monitor how your money is coming in, how expenditures are going out, for you to be able to make money when you are inactive or even so sleeping. But understand, if it's a physical business, it's gonna take you time for you to build that particular system. That's why I want to share with you 5 ideas which don't relate really for you to setting up a physical business. Rather, there are also alternative ideas out there which you could look to use for you to be able to make money even when you are sleeping. And with that, the first idea is you creating and selling digital assets. What do I mean? Guys, you could create things like, for example, online courses, things like, for example, books, things like, for example, master classes, through which people can be paying you monthly subscription for you to extend to them this awesome value, these awesome insights which you've packaged. And by the way, guys, this is an awesome way of you making money, because we're talking about you making money 24 hours around the clock. You're making money irrespective of time zones. As long as you have created a very formidable product, it's gonna mean its demand is gonna surpass even the boundaries of a country you live in. And you're gonna be able to make money even when you are not active on that thing, because you already created it. It is up there on the internet. People find value in it. Guys, that is one of the awesome ways you can go about making money even when you are sleeping. Once you create this product, you have the initial marketing phase of it, and then you're gonna chill, because you're gonna continue spiraling, getting more and more people on board. And by the way, if it is an awesome product, also the reviews out there are gonna assist you get more and more people on board, because someone will be going out there looking at this particular product, and then they see XYZ said it was very useful, it really assisted them, it changed their life, you name it. All these are gonna work in your favor, because ultimately you're gonna be able to lock in sales even when you are sleeping. And then the second way you can make money even when you are sleeping is by you investing in the real estate space. And by the way, when I talk about real estate, I'm talking about both physical properties out there, for example, land, buildings, and even beyond that. Also, different markets out there have ways of pulling investors together for them to be able to invest without really them monitoring property day to day. For example, you using real estate investment trusts. Guys, this is also a viable investment option for you. You can put money down, for example, in REITs, the real estate investment trusts, which actually are investment trusts specific for real estate, which in most countries are even traded in the main security exchange places. You want to put money down on these, it is other people out there who are going to be working for you, because we're talking about developers out there constructing houses, getting these houses to bring income, and you as part ownership of these particular entities, you're going to be able to make money. Of course, I made multiple videos on this channel about investing and also discussed rates in different spheres out there. Go and research which are the best rates in your country, okay? How best can you invest in them? And hopefully over time, you're gonna be able to make money, okay? And then the third way you can make money when you are sleeping is by you entering partnerships, whereby, assuming you already have some form of money, okay? We have people out there who have brilliant ideas. We have people out there who have solid business plans, and even with that, they are willing to enter partnerships whereby someone first assists them finance, and then they're gonna be able to partake or share in the revenues. Guys, if you are an astute business person already, you have good amounts of money, why not look to become a venture capitalist? Look to become an angel investor out there, whereby you are assisting people get money for their specific viable business ideas, and then you're gonna be able to share into revenue. And by the way, with these, based on initial negotiations, you can even share in revenues to perpetuity, depending on the agreement you have. So if you already have money, get those people who are willing to work out there, who have brilliant of ideas. And by the way, you need to be also very keen in regards to these business ideas, because you just need to invest in feasible or viable business ideas out there. Once you do that, other people out there are going to work for you, and ultimately you're going to be able to share in these returns. How awesome is that? You put down, for example, 100 grams, and then someone else out there works their ass off each and every day for them to be able to make revenue, and you're out there sharing in these particular revenues without you breaking a sweat. The only thing you put down is the initial investment, and these people are out there working very hard to ensure they make revenue. And then guys, the fourth idea you could look to jump into for you to be able to make money even when you're sleeping is you investing in bonds. Guys, you investing in bonds is an awesome way of you making money. And I'm saying so because out here, governments and also companies, for example, federal units of governments, even municipalities out there, and some companies are floating specific bonds tied to a specific thing. For example, infrastructure bond, which actually are tied to a fundamental thing, and you have that propensity to make income. And I'm saying so because you gotta realize gain of these bonds, interest based on agreed upon coupon rates out there. Guys, this is a viable investment because most of the times bonds have less risk, and even with that, they have somewhat more like a guaranteed payout, more so those relating to governments. Jump in these spaces, more so if you have spare amounts of money or spare amounts of income, and then see how your money is gonna work for you. Once you invest, the systems are gonna work for you, and you're gonna be able to make money over time. And then relating to that, the fifth way you can be able to invest and then see your money work for you is you investing in the stock market. I don't really need to talk much about stock market investing because I'm pretty sure by now you know basics of stock market investing. Invest in stock market, and also that particular investment is gonna work for you. And I'm saying so because stock market is actually more volatile compared to the bond market. But regardless, if you, for example, evoked portfolio investing concept whereby you have a pool of assets which you have invested in, guys, this pool of companies are going to ultimately assist you realize a return, realize a gain over time, because some are going to get positive gain, some are going to hit the negative. But regardless, most of the companies in the stock market, unless you're talking about a recession or even just a crazy crash in the stock market, guys, these companies make a positive gain over the years. You're going to be able to see your investment grow and grow over time. And by the way, it's going to be growing because the companies out there working for you, and you being part of ownership, you're going to be entitled, for example, to get dividends. And even so, you're going to see your initial investment grow and grow over time. What do you all think about these 5 ideas I've spoken to you about? Do you think these are viable ideas you can look to jump into for you to be able to make money through investments which are going to work for you, as opposed to you being active, working on them each and every day, like for example, investing in business? Is there any other investment out there which I've forgotten? If there is, share with me in the comment section down below. Let's continue discussing them. Thanks a lot. I look forward to share with you guys other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.